Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cap or limit the FPS in your NVIDIA Control Panel. Let's begin. So this is pretty straightforward. Just click on anything on your desktop. Right click on it, click on Control Panel, and you just need to go and select Manage 3D Settings. So you have the option global settings or program settings. So if you want a specific game, you will control the FPS. You can choose this option and select the game from here, right? But if not, if you just want everything to be universal, apply to all games and such, choose global settings. Scroll down, you should be able to see the option max frame rate. So you can click on this drop down, click on, and then you can easily configure in here how much FPS you would like to set this to. Just make sure to click on apply and then click apply over here. It might take a few seconds to save the changes. And once done, you can now close everything and you're done. You have now successfully made the changes on your NVIDIA control panel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.